Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully edit and update our portfolio. So now in this video I want to complete our delete part. So when that will be deleted, I also want to remove it from our database. Okay, from to this position that will be also removed. So if you want to do this work, I have already done that type of work. Right now it will be not hard for you. So now first of all, in our page, in our add page, not the add, in our all page, you can see that is our edit portfolio. Now I want to create another one as a edit, and that is a delete portfolio, and also you have to delete it with a specific one of the ID. Now simply create it. If you go to our web, from to the edit I copy it and then I paste it. So now our name, I name it here as a delete. Okay, delete portfolio, I copy it, then that will be as a delete portfolio, and I want to make it as a delete portfolio, and there should be also one of the ID, right? Because from here I also want to delete it with a specific one of the ID. Great. And now I want to create another new method. New method will be as a delete. Okay, delete portfolio, I simply copy it. So friend, that will be just like our home or slider. Home slider, I have already done that delete part here, and that is our home slider. Here update slider, right? So I have simply updated that slider where exactly I have done the delete functionality. That is our images. You can see for the multi images I have already done that delete functionality. So right now I copy the total method. Okay, I copy this total method from our about controller, and now in our portfolio I want to paste it. Okay, I simply paste it. Now our method will be changed because I named that method will be as a delete portfolio in our portfolio controller. So now that is our portfolio controller. I name it as a delete portfolio, and also I pass one of the requested ID, and that is our requested ID. So right now I take one of the variable. Okay, I take one of the variable as a portfolio, whatever you choose. So I name it as a portfolio, and now first of all I want to find or fail with our specific ID. If you want to access it, our table name right now as a portfolio, I find or fail our ID. Great, I take the things with this variable, and now with our portfolio I want to access our field name, our image field name as a portfolio image, right? So then that will be as a portfolio image I want to access. When it should be get, it should be unlink this image. That means from our storage, from to the storage, it should be deleted. Okay, we delete that our images, and then I want to delete our row. So there is a portfolio find or fail our requested ID. When that will be matched, then that will be delete. Okay, with our delete method it should be deleted, and our notification will be display as a portfolio image deleted successfully. When everything will be done, it will be return redirect to the back page. Great. So friend, that's all you have to do. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Now let's check this out. If you click as a save all, first of all I want to insert another new data. Like here I want to add another new portfolio. Okay, here I simply added on the new portfolio. I refresh it. Okay, refresh it. I make that name as a test. So that will be a test, and I have to paste some of the data. Okay, some of the data description. I choose one of the image. Like right now I choose this one. I select it, insert that portfolio data. So now portfolio data inserted successful. It's now displayed in here. Images will be also stored. You can see images is stored successfully. If you go to our database, that should be inserted. Yeah, it's perfectly inserted. Now I want to delete it. If you want to delete right now this data, I want to select it. Now click as a yes, delete it. Now that should be deleted. Yeah, you can see there's a portfolio image deleted successfully. Perfect. Now that is gone. If you go to our database, browse it, it's successfully gone from here, and also our images is successfully gone. Okay, that means our delete portion is now successfully updated. So here friend, we successfully complete our total code application. Now I want to visible this data. I want to visible all that our portfolio data in our front end. Here I want to visible it. Okay, so how can do this work? In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.